Concurrency is a great topic, certainly one that I'm very passionate about. And the programming concurrency can be very intimidating and very challenging. But it doesn't have to be that way. The reason it seems intimidating and challenging is because of the API we're used to in the JDK. Well, thankfully, there are some options available to us that will move us beyond that. What I call as a synchronized suffer model is something we don't have to put up with anymore. Thankfully, there are two other models available to us. One, of course, is software transaction memory, and the other is the actor-based concurrency. If you're curious about how to use these two different models to program, let's not talk about it, let's do it. What I'm going to do in this full-day workshop is to take certain examples, and you are going to pair up with somebody else in the session, and we're going to implement it. Sure, we will start with what we are familiar with. You will implement the problem using the JDK solutions, the modern JDK solutions, of course, and then you will move on to programming it with STM. So I'll spend about an hour or so showing you how to do it with STM. And then you will go off and implement the same problem you tried before using STM. There are certain restrictions to STM, so we'll take a problem and take a look at why it will not really help to apply STM in it. Then we will take a look at this actor-based concurrency, see how it can solve problems for us, and again we will use a similar example that we developed in the modern JDK and see how it looks like in the actor-based concurrency. My goal for the entire day is for you to leave with enough information about what are the concurrency options you have on hand. If you are developing concurrent code in Java, you would never have to suffer anymore. You don't have to have the pain. You can readily use some of the most powerful techniques and libraries available today. So this session is intended to ease the pain, completely alleviate some of the basic concerns. It is a paradigm shift in a lot of ways, but it doesn't have to be a shift in the programming language. You can program in Java, but change the way you program and completely alleviate the problems of concurrency and succeed with it. And I hope to help you with that in this one-day workshop we have on concurrent programming in Java.